Hello everyone! Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a winning high school teacher job application letter, step by step. I'll explain what each part of the letter is about, why it's important, and give you practical tips, so you know exactly what to write when applying for a high school teaching position. Let's start by understanding what this letter is. A high school teacher job application letter is a formal letter written to apply for a teaching position at the secondary school level. This letter introduces you as a qualified educator, highlights your academic background and teaching experience, explains your teaching approach, and shows the school why you are a strong fit for guiding students during their high school years. This letter is usually submitted with your resume and credentials, and it plays a major role in whether you are invited for an interview. Now, let's check this out. We begin with the sender's details at the top of the letter. This section includes your full name, home address, professional email address, and phone number. This information allows the school to clearly identify you and contact you easily if they are interested in your application. In this letter, the sender's details are written as Daniel A. Reynolds, 8427 Maple Ridge Drive, Aurora, Colorado 80016. Email, daniel.reynolds@email.com. Phone, 303-6147289. When writing your own letter, always make sure your contact details are accurate and your email address looks professional. Next comes the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps the school organize applications. Always use the full date format. In this letter, the date is written as date, March 18th, 2026. Never forget to update the date before sending your application. After that, we write the receiver's details. This section shows who the letter is addressed to and where it is being sent. Addressing the letter properly shows professionalism and respect. In this letter, the receiver's details are Hiring Committee, Aurora Central High School, 11,700 East 11th Avenue, Aurora, Colorado, 80010. This makes your letter feel intentional and well-prepared. Next is the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of the letter in one short sentence, making it easy for the reader to understand why you are writing. In this letter, the subject line is written as Subject, Application for High School Teacher Position. Always keep your subject line clear, direct, and professional. Now let's move to the salutation, which is very important. The salutation is how you respectfully greet the reader. When a letter is addressed to a group, such as a hiring committee, "Dear Hiring Committee" is the correct and professional choice. In this letter, the salutation is written as Dear Hiring Committee. Never skip the salutation because it sets the respectful and formal tone for the entire letter. Now we move into the main body of the letter, starting with the first paragraph, which is the introduction. This paragraph explains why you are writing and briefly introduces your qualifications and experience as a high school teacher. It should clearly state the position you are applying for. Why this paragraph is important is because it creates the first impression and immediately tells the school that you are qualified. Tips for this paragraph: mention your degree, teaching level, and overall teaching focus. Be confident but professional. In this letter, the entire first paragraph is written as I am writing to apply for the high school teacher position at Aurora Central High School. I hold a bachelor's degree in education and have several years of experience teaching at the secondary level, where I have focused on creating engaging lessons and fostering a supportive classroom environment that encourages academic growth. This paragraph clearly introduces the role, educational background, and teaching experience. Now let's move to the second paragraph, which focuses on your teaching experience and classroom practices. In this paragraph, you explain what you do in your current teaching role. You should talk about lesson planning, assessment, and how you support students with different learning needs. Why this paragraph is important is because it shows how you operate in a real classroom setting. Tips for this paragraph: use action words, highlight subject knowledge, and show that you understand high school learners. In this letter, the entire second paragraph is written as, "In my current role as a high school teacher in Colorado, I design lesson plans aligned with curriculum standards, assess student progress, and support diverse learning needs. I place strong emphasis on critical thinking, classroom discussion, and clear communication, helping students build both academic confidence and responsibility." This paragraph demonstrates structure, professionalism, and effective teaching strategies. Next is the third paragraph, which focuses on your motivation, values, and connection to the school. This paragraph explains why you are interested in this specific school and highlights your personal qualities as a teacher. Why this paragraph is important is because schools want teachers who are committed, organized, and invested in student success beyond academics. Tips for this paragraph: show dedication, mention school values, and highlight your role in student development. In this letter, the entire third paragraph is written as, "I am particularly drawn to Aurora Central High School's commitment to student achievement and community involvement. I am dedicated, organized, and passionate about guiding students through both academic challenges and personal development during these important years." This paragraph connects your values with the school's mission. Now let's look at the final body paragraph, also known as the closing paragraph. This paragraph politely expresses your interest in further discussion, thanks the reader, and shows openness to an interview. Why this paragraph is important is because it ends the letter professionally and leaves a positive final impression. Tips for this paragraph: be respectful, appreciative, and confident. In this letter, the entire closing paragraph is written as, "I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experience can support your school's educational goals. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to hearing from you." This paragraph closes the letter in a calm and professional manner. After that, we end the letter with the closing phrase and signature. The closing phrase is usually "sincerely," followed by your signature and your typed name. In this letter, it is written as, "Sincerely, signature, Daniel A. Reynolds." This completes the formal structure of the letter. Before we finish, here are some overall tips and reminders for writing a high school teacher job application letter. Always keep your tone professional and confident. Highlight both academic expertise and your ability to support students emotionally and socially. Tailor your letter to the school, proofread carefully, and make sure your letter matches your resume. High school teachers play a key role in shaping students' futures, so let your commitment and passion show clearly in your writing. And that's how you write a high school teacher job application letter, step by step, in a clear and professional way. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more easy and practical writing guides. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. See you on the next video.